glasses off. Hey guys, welcome back to Therapy. If you are new here, my name is Rosa, and I got lipstick on my teeth. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this cute protective style. I think it came out really cute. I'm loving the vibe I'm getting with this hair and this color and this length. I am using the rubber band method to part and section my hair, and then I combined the crochet method. So I am crocheting the hair through or underneath the rubber band, and then I do a little trick to help anchor it onto my hair and onto that section. And what I'm hoping will help prevent the issue of slippage that a lot of people mention when they have passion twists, that the hair and that their hair slips out, or that the root of this is not staying secured. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved my passion twist, keep watching. All right, so we are about to get into this protective. Why you gotta mess up my video? We are about to get into this protective style. I am so ready. Yeah, I'm excited to get started. I have already washed, deep conditioned, blow dried, and trimmed my hair. So I am all ready and prepped for a protective style. Let's get into what I'm going to be using for this style. I picked up Lula Tress hair 14-inch in the style Water Wave, and we are doing ombre, so T1, B2 burgundy. So we're gonna have some color, which I'm excited about. But yeah, I picked up 3 packs of this, so I'm thinking that should be more than enough hair. I also got some good old handy dandy sturdy rubber bands. We have Linda, who is making her appearance again. Linda. So yeah, we got Linda, we got the hair. I got some rubber bands already separated. I am gonna put a little oil on my rubber bands because that's what all the cool kids are doing. It's like, no. This is just to help the rubber bands from tangling on your hair when you install them. So giving them a little pre-treatment. Edge control, you guys know I love me some Style Factor edge control. So this, I'm gonna be using this along with, all right, so we got the Style Factor edge control, and I'm also gonna be using some Style and Jam to help separate and part my hair so we can have some nice sleek parts. I'm also gonna need a crochet hook, which I have down here, crochet hook. And I think that's everything. So let's jump into it. All right, I'm gonna speed through this footage of me parting and sectioning off the hair. I think for the most part that is self-explanatory. And I will have a more detailed video coming soon where I show you guys like how I part my hair so well by myself. I tend to kind of use the same method, whether it be protective styles or styling my natural hair. I kind of tend to follow the same parting technique, but just gonna give you guys a quick look. Here I am just sectioning off my hair ear to ear. Just gonna tie up that front half, and we're gonna get started on the back half. So basically I am going to just part straight across, as straight as I can get it. I'm using a hand mirror to kind of help me see the very back of my hair and make sure that everything is I mean, as straight as I can get it. You know, it's not gonna be perfect. I'm gonna put some Shine and Jam along the parts to control any flyaways, and then secure it with a rubber band. And that's basically what I do throughout the rest of my hair. As I go up, my straight line kind of turns more into a curved or U-shaped line. And then you'll see that it really helps to guide how I part my hair in the front as well. So I'm just gonna speed through this and come back when we talk about twisting the hair. Alright, so if you're familiar with crochet hair, then you already know that they pretty much pre-separate the hair for you so that it's easy to crochet. So I took 3 of those sections for each of my twists, just to give you an idea of how much hair I used, and that's simply what I'm doing here. So now I'm going to show you guys how I anchor the crochet hair and install it into my hair for the twist. I'm putting a good amount of Style and Jam down the length of my hair, and then I'm going to take the crochet hair, the 3 pieces, and kind of separate it and fluff out the hair some more, just to give my twist a fuller appearance. And then I am going to get ready to crochet it through. So a pro tip, I am inserting my crochet hook up and through towards the direction that I want the knot, or I want the hair to kind of cover up my rubber band. So this twist is on the side, so I want that knot or that coverage to be at the top towards the front of my hair. So I'm going to insert that crochet hook up and through. And then I am going to hook my crochet hair onto the hook, close the latch, and gently ease it on through. You don't want to be too rough. Alright, so once it's through, I take off the crochet hook. I'm going to open up that loop, and I am going to grab my hair and the crochet hair and pull it through gently. And so like now you can kind of see that knot I was talking about is going to be towards the top front for this twist, and I'm just going to gently tighten the loop so that it is blending into the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to pull the 2 sides of the crochet hair gently. And sometimes this causes the rubber band to move down a little bit, so I like to re-secure it before I start twisting. So I'm going to split that my hair into 2 sections and kind of secure it again, not too tight. And so now I just start twisting like normal. So there is something that you want to pay attention to when doing passion twist, and I am going to show you that in the next clip. But basically there is a right and a wrong directional way to twist your hair, and you'll kind of see what I mean in a second. Here I happen to twist this section up properly, and you can tell because the twist is tight. Like that twist is tight. None of my hair is trying to peek through. There's no opportunity for it to peek through. But if you twist your hair the wrong way, so kind of against the natural curl of the crochet hair, it causes it to kind of look like the twist, the other twist up front right next to my hair. And that's kind of what I believe causes the slippage, causes the hair to kind of come undone and your natural hair to be able to come out as it gets older. So here is what I mean by that. I already twisted up this hair, but this twist does not look as good as the other one that I did up front, and you can kind of see that. So yeah, you want to examine your twist. So I ended up taking this one out. I twisted it the wrong way. It's not that I didn't twist it tight enough, it's just if you twist it the wrong way or against the curl of the hair, then it doesn't look as good in my opinion. So I'm just going to retwist my hair in the opposite direction that I did the first time and kind of show you guys, you know, the difference that twisting your hair in the right direction can make for installing passion twist. So yeah, this twist looks a lot more tighter, and I think it just appears to look better now compared to the way it looked at first. I'll put a side-by-side comparison here. But yeah, that's kind of what you want to look for to make sure that your hair is twisted properly and that it will last. So once I twist my hair down, I'm not gonna pull down on it too much. I want to see where it naturally falls without it being elongated. That's where I'm going to put my rubber band on to secure the twist. And that's kind of how you somewhat get the same length. You don't want to pull your twist because some of them will lay a lot straighter than the other ones depending on how you twisted your hair. Other twists will curl a little bit like this one does, and so if you pull it down, it's going to mess up the actual length and where the twist will lay once you let it go. This is the next day. We didn't put on some makeup and now we really feeling the whole effect of it, but I'll show you guys again. I think they look really good. So because I did, this day. Because I did the rubber band method, I know that I have exactly 48 twists in my hair. I think, it fills it out pretty well. It's not too many gaps, and I didn't, have to do a million twists. So that's always a plus. Definitely let me know if you want me to provide an update on these twists, maybe halfway through or when I'm about to take them out. But yeah, I think I did a good job, if I do say so myself. Hey, I almost never do this, but I am editing the video you're currently watching, and I figured why not show you guys how my hair is holding up. It's been, entering this weekend will make 2 weeks with my passion twist. I think the roots still look fresh and secured, so I am gonna say that my method really did help with that. I am getting a couple of my ends slipping out. I want to say it's just maybe 1 or 2. So yeah, not too bad. It happens, not too bad. I still think my hair looks pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.